So guys, this is the most hated part when you do packing to go back to the work. Good morning! We're on the way to the airport. So guys, chika minute muna tayo. So nag-over luggage ako mga ante. So my god. So yung hand carry ko dapat 7 kilo lang siya. So 11 kilo siya. So over luggage. So kailangan nilang ipalipat doon sa big luggage ko. Well, my big luggage is already overweight. So 20 kilo lang yung allowed ko, pero naging 24 kilo siya. And some more, kailangan kong ilipat yung 4 kilo from my hand carry to my big luggage. So ayun, nabayaran ko is 1,080,000 Vietnamese dong, around 42 US dollars siya. So oh my god, na-stress talaga ako mga auntie dun sa over luggage ko. By the way, iniintay ko yung asawa ko kasi nakapila pa siya para mag-check-in. Hi guys, I'm so sleepy na. So good luck. See you tomorrow. Good morning guys. Good morning Singapore. So this is where I stay. This is my temporary address because I'm waiting for my visa. So yeah, good morning everyone. So maglalaba tayo kasi ang dami nating labahin. So yeah. So yan yung labahin ko mga ante, yung bedsheet, ay yung blanket pala, tas yung mga clothes. At ayan, nakasalang na yung iba. So maglalaba tayo.